Bonjour French Chic ladies, it's Marianne Lecoeur of howtobechicandElegant.com. So in my previous video, which was about I can't be stylish, top 6 reasons why, I'm still frumpy. Many of you have sent me comments about how they are completely stuck, how you are stuck, how you can't, make the first step to be stylish and to stop being frumpy. So this is what we're going to address in this video. If you're new to my channel, a big welcome to you, and please think about subscribing, liking this video and sharing it. Oh, and not forgetting the little bell, thank you. So before we start this video, somebody asked me what was the comment that was behind me in my previous video. So this is a red scarf from Jules. So it is really beautiful, red with blue and white flowers. I'm going to open it up for you. So here you are. If you're interested, I will put the link below in the description box in case they still have it. So here you are for this scarf. So before we start this motivational video, I would like to give you the example of somebody who has sent me a comment this morning and who has made the first step and completely got unstuck. So I'm going to give this lady a shout out and I'm going to read you part of her comment. Let me put my glasses on. Here we go. So a big shout out to Gothic Heart. So this is part of her comment. You motivated me to take walks every day and try to eat moderately. I am consciously dressing more put together and neat. Plus wearing my jewelry and a little makeup every day instead of waiting for an occasion. No more frumpiness. I feel so much better. Thank you, Marianne, for showing me the way to put into action what I thought I couldn't do until I lost money or had more money. I'm doing it now. And this lady, is doing it. She has stepped forward. She had made the first step. And this is what I am going to help you today in this video. So let's start. Are you stuck? Are you stuck in your style? Are you, got various reasons or excuses as we mentioned in a previous video? So are you stuck? If you are stuck, please type yes in capital letters in the description below and please write down the reason. So yes and the reason why, okay? So if you are stuck, don't worry, I'm going to help you. I can help you in so many ways. I can help you with these videos, I can help you in my books and my courses or on a one-to-one, okay? Let's take the example of a baby who is taking his first steps. Because, I can help you in so many ways, but we need to work together. You need to do your part. So I will do my part. You need to do your part. So let's take the example of this baby. He's toddling around. So I will be, you will be the baby and I will be the one person who is behind the baby, watching the baby doesn't fall down. And I will be also the person in front, calling the baby, come on, do your first step. So I will be these two people at the same time. And you will be the toddler who's doing his first step. So you will do that. So you need to do your part. You see, in this example, the baby does his part. He takes his first step. And this is what I want for you. I want you to do your first step and to get unblocked, unstuck. Because it is easy to get overwhelmed, It's so very well, watching those style videos. Yes, I need to do this and do that. But if you have lost the habit, or if you don't know where to start, things have changed for you. Your shape has changed for various reasons, or your weight has changed, or your job has changed, your lifestyle has changed, you have moved away. There's so many reasons. And more. But so you're overwhelmed. Where do I start? So all this, keeps you stuck. And it's really difficult to take the first step. Imagine, I visualize all the time, so imagine opening the door and taking the first step out of your house or out of the room where you are stuck in. You open the door, the sun is shining. Your house is dark, but the sun is shining out there, so you open the door, and you have to take that step, because when you're outside in the sunshine, then you can make the second step, and so on. Okay? I'm going to share with you a book that has really, I can say, even changed my life. This is his book from Susan Jeffers, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway. So I don't know if you have read it, but if you have read it, say yes below in the comments below. Yes, I read it. And if you haven't, it is one of those books you have to read, because it will help you to get unstuck. I will put the link below. And you can see it's an old book, and you can see here I've got an old Blockbuster card, so I'll tell you how old that is. But I've read it many times. It is a really, really good book. Feel the fear and do it anyway. So this book helped me to get unstuck, to really get the ball rolling, to write my first book. So I hope for you it will do the same thing. It will help you, motivate you to really get unstuck and take that first step. But of course, I'm here also for you. So we'll do it with Susan Jeffers' help, and also my help. We'll do it together. So how can you get going? So there are various steps. First of all, you need to decide. Yes, you need to make the decision. You're going to do this. You're going to decide you want to take the first step. Because once you have made the first step, it's much easier. That first step is always the hardest one. So decide. Please comment in the comments below. Yes, I decide now. Yes, I decide. Okay? Now, the second step is to commit. You need to commit to doing it. You've decided. Now, you need to commit to doing it. Okay? Please write in the comments below. Yes, I commit. Because now you've written, yes, I commit, you've committed. You've actually written it for the world to see. You have committed to take the first step. So you see, this is how it works. By making it public, you're making yourself accountable for that decision and this commitment. Now, the third step is, ta-da, action. You need to take action. Okay? So what kind of action can you do? Okay, there are many, because there are many actions you can take, different type of action according to who you are in your life. Okay, so for instance, a few examples: put some bright lipstick on. That could be an action. You could change your shoes. What shoes are you wearing? Are you wearing trainers? No. Wear some heels or wear something smarter. Okay, have a look. Are you wearing ripped jeans? I hope not. Or leggings? I hope not. Put something nice on, a skirt. Can you wear, a pair of tailored trousers, or even a pair of dark jeans, much better than ripped jeans or leggings, as we know. Are you wearing a pair of trousers? Change into a skirt. Are you wearing, a skirt and top? Put a dress on, something. You always wear black or dark colors? Wear something bright, some red, some pink, something like this. Why not? You're wearing usually something with nothing on, around the neckline. Put a bright scarf on, put something like this. It's going to be amazing. You have long, lanky hair, hair that has no longer any good style. Go to the hairdresser, have something done. Cut your hair a bit so it looks really good. Have a nice haircut. Or you have your roots showing. Go to the hairdresser, you can even do them yourself. Have your roots done. Something like that. So many things. So let's say another one, you don't wear any makeup. Why don't you put a bit of mascara or lipstick, a bit of blusher, something? What about a little pair of earrings? A ring on your fingers, a bracelet or something. A nice blazer on, instead of this too casual jeans jacket. There are many ways you can do to take action. Then just this, will make you feel better. Keep in mind the comment we got from Gothic Heart. She did action. She took the first step, and look at, she feels so good now, and she's really happy. So please let me know below what first step, what action are you going to take today? Let me know in the comments below, because we'll come back to that. If you want, I could even make some more videos on this topic to keep in touch onto how you are doing. So what is the first step you're going to take today? Let me know in the comments below. I want to know every step you're doing, because I read every comment that you write. I reply to your comments. As you can see, I'm very active in the comment and with this community, because I want to be there for you. I want to motivate you. I want to support you. But in order to do that, you need to do your part, because if you don't do your part, whatever help I give you is not going to work. Oh, there is something for you you're going to love. I am going to relaunch my amazing, so popular Excuse Blaster Challenge. So I'm going to revive this, especially for this topic. For you have your excuses, you call them reasons, I call them excuses, that block you, all those blocks, and I'm going to give you all the tools, all the techniques, all the how-tos and the steps to get unstuck and to get you going again. So my Excuse Blaster Challenge is coming in the next few weeks, hopefully a couple of weeks, but so in the next few weeks I will bring my Excuse Blaster Challenge for you. Please let me know in the comments below if you would love something like that. Yes, you're going to love it. It has brought so many results for my students. So before we go, one last tip to get you going, and I don't want an excuse. So you go into your closet and you prepare your outfits for each day of the week. And we know, and I will link to that video about the outfit to go. I've made a couple of videos on this topic. You create the outfits already, on a hanger, and every piece ready, and you hang them back into your closet for you, so you got an outfit from Monday to Sunday. No more excuse, I don't know what to wear, so I'm just going to wear stuff that's on the floor. So no more excuses, and that is making you take action. If you don't know what else to do, take action today. Create your outfits for the week. Please let me know, and I want to hear from every one of you. Let me know in the comments below which action you're going to take. First of all, write yes, I decide, yes, I commit, and yes, I take action. I am doing this and that, and I will come back and check up on you, how you are doing in the comments below. And please let me know if you would like me to do another one or more videos, so that I'm keeping in touch with you. Ask me questions so we can come back and help each other, support me supporting you, and even in the whole community. So let's get this thing going. You can also help me by tweeting my videos, and this one in particular, by sharing this video on Facebook or your other social media. Mention my name, mention my YouTube channel, share this video, like it, subscribe, get all your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so we can, so this community can grow and we can reach more people, help more women like you who are stuck and want to make the next step, no longer to look frumpy, but become stylish, become chic, elegant, and in turn that makes you happy, because you tell me that makes you happy, and in turn that makes me extremely happy to make you happy. So thank you very much for watching. You are absolutely wonderful community, and I'm seeing you in the comments below very soon. So if you're interested, I will put the link below. So if you're interested, I will put the link. So, it keeps on bringing out. It's right. So now I'm going to share with you a resource that Now I'm going to share with you a resource. I never say resource. Oh no. How can I present that? You never wear makeup, wanna try a bit of blusher, lipstick, mascara? No, I said lipstick, mascara, no. I said lipstick and mascara. Okay. Let's say, you know, you don't wear